Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Switch Lite, connecting to Wi-Fi, and opening system settings immediately. Once in, go to Parental Controls so you can act now. If you use the Parental Controls smartphone app, open it and sign in. Make sure you know whether the PIN was set on the console or via the app because the next steps differ. If you plan to use the app, tap the profile to edit or unlink controls. If on console, be ready to select the Parental Controls option. You now proceed to change or recover the PIN. If you know the PIN, enter it and choose Change Settings or Disable Parental Controls, then confirm the new choices. If you don't know the PIN, select I forgot PIN to generate a unique number on screen. Write that down. Once you have that number, contact Nintendo support. They will provide a master key based on the number. Make sure to follow their instructions exactly to avoid further lockouts. Once support gives the master key, enter it on the Switch and then set a new PIN or disable controls as you prefer. Make sure to record the new PIN securely. If the master key route fails, backup save data and perform a system format to remove persistent settings, but only as a last resort. If anything goes wrong, contact Nintendo support again with your console serial, account email, and the original number shown. This single troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.